Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce Aparsoft-tts, a comprehensive open-source text-to-speech toolkit that's about to change how you create voiceovers for your content. Built on the powerful Kokoro 82M model, Aparsoft-tts brings professional-grade voice synthesis directly into your workflow. Whether you're a YouTube creator, podcaster, or developer, this toolkit has everything you need. What makes Aparsoft-tts special? First, it integrates seamlessly with Claude Desktop and Cursor through the Model Context Protocol. That means you can generate voiceovers right from your AI conversations without ever leaving your editor. No more copy-pasting scripts or switching between applications. Second, it includes professional audio enhancement with Librosa. Every voiceover gets automatic normalization, noise reduction, and smooth fade transitions. Your audio comes out ready for production without additional editing. Third, it offers incredible flexibility. You get a beautiful Streamlit web interface, a powerful CLI for quick generations, a Python API for custom integrations, and even Docker deployment for production environments. Now let me show you what this looks like in action. As you can see in this demo, I simply ask Claude to list all available TTS voices using the Aparsoft-tts tool. And instantly, we get a complete catalog of 10 professional voices. The toolkit offers 4 male voices and 6 female voices, covering both American and British accents. Each voice has its own character, from the professional clarity of Ian Michael to the warm tones of Af Bella. Now I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to generate speech. Watch as I ask Claude to create a voiceover about Python's import this Easter egg. Claude automatically creates the script file and generates the audio, all in one seamless workflow. The entire process takes just seconds, but what if you want to try a different voice or speed? No problem. Watch how simple it is to regenerate. I simply ask Claude to redo the same speech with Af Bella's voice at 1.2 speed. Within moments, we have a completely new version with a warm American female voice at a faster pace. This flexibility lets you experiment with different voices until you find the perfect match for your content. But Aparsoft-tts isn't just about single generations. It excels at batch processing, complete script conversion, and even handles long-form content by automatically chunking text. Perfect for creating entire video narrations or e-learning courses. The best part, it's completely open source under the Apache 2 license. The entire codebase, documentation, and examples are available on GitHub for you to use, modify, and contribute to. Whether you're building a content creation pipeline, developing an AI application, or just need high-quality voiceovers for your projects, Aparsoft-tts provides the tools you need in one comprehensive package. Ready to get started? Visit the GitHub repository to explore the documentation, try the live demo, or install it in your own environment. Join our growing community of creators and developers who are already using Aparsoft-tts to bring their content to life. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with Aparsoft-tts.